So this is my girlfriend Andrea, and I'm gonna let her drive my Jeep SRT. Hopefully by the end of this, she's gonna do launch control, so stay tuned and let's see what happens. All right, go ahead and get in. We're gonna go ahead and get your seat adjusted because, you know, it might be a little bit dirty, but we're just gonna ignore that. And yeah, go ahead and have yourself a little seat. You want me to take your phones? You got 7 of them.
It's fine, I'll do it.
Trap phone.
Oh my God, I can't see the floor.
I can't see the floor. It's fine, we'll adjust it, Now go ahead and, it's fine. So push the brake in and then start her up. All right, now take 2, start her up.
There we go.
Oh boy, it's getting serious. All right, so now it's probably gonna move into my position, so tell me when to stop, put your feet there, and yeah, let me know.
Right there is fine.
There?
Yeah.
Is that too close?
No, that's fine.
So you're gonna sit like on top of the steering wheel, of course.
It's
Typical women.
It's
all right,
not, I'm not on top of the
you want me to tilt this forward?
No, that's fine. It was fine. Yeah,
Damn, she's laying down. From the
not.
city. From the city. All right, do you need like lumbar support, or is that comfortable
I'm
for you?
fine. I'm fine.
That's good. Do you need this to move forward or back?
No, it's fine right there.
So you can do this, you go up and down.
It's fine, it's fine. Oh, actually right there, yeah.
That good? You situated?
I think no.
All right, it's fine. We're just gonna go comfortable for a second. We're really gonna get her to do launch control, boys. She's gonna rip it. We're gonna get her to floor it under a bridge here in a second, hopefully, but just wanna get her a little bit comfortable first. And then next video, we're doing paddle shifters. I don't care what she says. Once she's comfortable in it a little bit, paddle shifters are coming on, boys. All right, we got the GoPro recording, and I'm gonna rip this with this one, but yeah, go ahead, give her some revs. Give her some revs. That's enough. Oh my God, I'm choking. I'm nervous, boys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. It's in auto mode. Let's keep it there for now. Let me put this seatbelt on for damn sure, because this is gonna be a little risky. But we're gonna go ahead and do it, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. So I think we're gonna be fine though. We got some little peep. We're gonna turn that off. No copyright. And yeah, you know how to shift the car into drive. So nothing more than that. Just go ahead and do it. All right, now just go like around the parking lot a little bit in auto mode, and just get a little comfortable with it first.
Why does it sound like that?
Because that's just how it sounds. Yeah, just go through here. Yeah. Just go around the parking lot a little bit. Just please don't curb my rims. That's like the biggest thing that I ask. Like,
I can't see the floor.
Please don't crash.
I feel like in a bus right now.
It's fine. You're fine. Are you comfortable? Like, feel the brakes out a little bit, because the brakes are freaking touchy. So
they're not.
I promise you they are. Slam on them babies and feel it. Yeah, just go that way, and then see the gas is touchy. You're in auto mode, so this is like driving in like a normal thing. Do you want to go on the road now?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Let's just go for it, boys. I don't know.
We're
just gonna send it.
Bus.
We'll go in auto mode for a second so you can get comfortable, because it's crazy. Yeah, go down here and then we'll go right, so it's kind of like a casual little road, I guess. A little bit easier. But yeah, boys, she's just in auto mode, so nothing crazy going on here. And like I said, it's touchy. Like, if you've never driven a car with she only has a 4-cylinder, so it's not like she's even had like a 6, so it's very, very different to drive. And
right
this
here?
thing's very pippy. Yeah, let's go right so we can go ahead and get some range.
Oh God.
Oh, she's ripping it. She's ripping it. All right, go on it a little bit. Give it some gas.
Oh God.
You're good. Just be confident, be comfortable. Feel it out. Get comfortable first before we start doing the craziness.
A few moments later.
Careful of this heat. Oh my God, go at like an angle. It's like...
Why? You don't have that small car.
Yeah, but it's like, hey yo, can you fish over here? Hey yo, BJP Fishing Channel. That's how the channel started. If you don't remember, then now you know. All right, first time in reverse. Look at her, whipping it. Nope.
Ooh.
All right, once we get a little straightaway here, I want you to just floor it. Both hands on the steering wheel. I know you've never driven like that, but it's fine. It's fine. All right, maybe past like where it's like looks like a school zone here or something. I don't know. Looks a little neighborhoody. You gotta really just slam that thing and make it downshift.
I can't.
You will in a second. Don't worry. We got windy roads, boys. This is not safe. Who came up with this idea? It wasn't even her. This was not her idea. She did not want to do this. I'm going to be honest with you guys. But next video, we'll get her using the paddle shifter. So hopefully that'll be exciting.
Were you scared?
I felt my mirror coming up. I'm going to be honest. I felt my mirror just gone. So if everybody down in this video in the comments, if you guys go down there and you guys just donate $1, like if everybody just donates $1 on this video, we could possibly get her a Jeep as well. You know, so if you guys all just, we got what, 22,000. All right, let's all donate $10. Let's get 220,000. Is that I don't know how to do math, but that might be close to $220,000 to everybody that's subbed. They all just give me $10. We can get her a Jeep and me a Lamborghini, guys. This is what we need, so let's go ahead and make it happen. You're gonna race them. Go another lane. Pass the Tell them what it's like. Show them what it's like, an old lady. All right, here we go. You're gonna have a red light, so you're gonna get to do a little pull. So you're gonna make sure we get to the second light.
All right.
And then once we get to the second light, you gotta stop. You have to stop.
I know, I'm stopping.
Oh my God, you let off the brake and you panicked the fuck. You weren't gonna stop.
I was gonna stop.
All right, now once this light changes, I want floor it as hard as you can.
No, I can't with that car. I get scared.
You gotta just do it. I thought we were gonna die for a second. The red light and you let off the brake and you're about to, I didn't know what's happening. It made me panic.
I didn't let off the gas. I mean the brake.
We went from like slowing down to all of a sudden we just weren't anymore. And I was like, that's it, we're going. Right here, just freaking floor it. Floor it as hard as you can. Slam it, like. Alright. We're gonna get another one with launch in a second.
No, I'm not. I don't want to do that.
You have to launch it.
No,
I said it in the video, you have to do it. You legally,
I don't have to
you
do
literally legally have to do it.
I don't have to do it.
She legally has to, guys. Like, I don't know what to tell her. Like,
Stop.
the only option that you legally have is to freaking, you gotta launch it. I said it, and I don't lie in my videos. This is the most honest YouTube channel ever. Definitely have never faked a video. I don't know where you want to turn around. Maybe at the school or
The church? Where's the church?
right here.
Oh no.
Yeah, not there, definitely. It's
So
right there. All right, go. So you're gonna pull out and then just stop. Do a complete stop right here. I'm watching for you. All right, complete stop, complete stop, complete stop. All right, hold the brake with your left foot. Hold it all the way down as hard as you can.
All right.
All right, now apply full throttle. And now let off. You gotta hold it. What was that?
I don't know what was that, but oh
You said,
my God.
and then just let go.
I just felt it going like
All right,
that.
you're gonna
Oh
do
my
another
God.
one up here. All right, now apply full throttle. And now let off. You gotta hold it. What was that?
I don't know what was that, but oh
You said,
my God.
and then just
I
let
just
go.
felt it going like
All right,
that.
you're
Oh
gonna
my
do another one
God.
up here.
That was freaking crazy.
It'll be so fun if you gotta just trust it and just do it. It's not gonna
can't.
spin, it's not gonna do anything. Just pull over maybe and let this car pass. All right, hold down the brake as hard as you can. Hard as you can.
I'm doing it. Go.
Nope. Apply full throttle. Go, quick, these cars are coming. Hold it. Imagine that was a cop.
Oh my God.
Oh my
I
God.
don't like how that felt. That was like,
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
God.
fun though, isn't it?
oh my God.
It's a little bit fun. It moved my camera, my whole
I
camera.
felt it in my heart.
Yeah, those cars were coming up. I was like, gotta just go.
I know. Oh my God. I'm cold.
Yeah, we beat the heck out of this thing, huh? Tell them to subscribe down below. Make sure that they subscribe. Tell them.
Yes, please, and donate the $1 so I can buy.
$10. We need $10.
No, the $1. I
Donate
need my car
$10.
first.
We need $10 so that we can get it, because $1 is only gonna give us like 2,200. Actually, that would be enough. $1 every single subscriber down below. Go do it now. Now.